Hey guys, Sakitech from sakitech, and in today's video what we're going to do is we are going to be sharing some amazing wallpapers for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and I'm talking about wallpapers just like the one you're looking at right here, which is a gorgeous wallpaper. So let's grab these premium wallpapers right away. So to download these wallpapers, what you want to do is you want to click the link down below. Once you click that link, you are going to be at this website, and then you just want to scroll on just a little bit, and you can see under the title, you scroll down and you can start with wallpaper number 1, number 2, and so on and so forth. So to download wallpaper number 1, you click this link right here. That is going to open the Galaxy Store from where you can download that very first wallpaper that you saw, which is a stunning wallpaper. Let's go and look at number 2. Now, before we continue, make sure to check out the second link down below. When you click that link, it's going to take you to Samsung website where you can see the brand new products Samsung is going to release on March the 21st. And if you put your name and email, you are able to get $100 off and also get entered to win a free giveaway. Information is on the website. Anyway, let's continue to number 2. So number 2 is the Mecha Armor wallpaper, another gorgeous wallpaper. This is not usually free, so get it as soon as possible. All right, so double tap. Let's see how it looks like on the lock screen. Absolutely beautiful, high definition, super clean. Okay, look at that in the center, beautiful. All right, let's go to number 3. That's the Autumn. So click the link. This is more of a natural one. Tap on apply. Another beautiful wallpaper. Let's take a look at this. Again, this is not usually free. Look at how artistic that is. Beautiful. Everything is moving. Gorgeous. All right. So let's go back inside. Number 4 is the Golden Lion wallpaper. Tap on it. Tap on apply. Download and apply. And basically this is what you're going to get. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. All right. Fantastic. So you get that on your lock screen. That's number 4, and number 5 is the tiger wallpaper. This is a real tiger you can have on your lock screen as well. So let's tap over here. Let's double tap. Let's see what this looks like. Absolutely beautiful, as you can see. All right, so those are 5 wallpapers for you guys. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day.